Hi there, Dr. Kerry Yerkew here. Today I'm going over two yoga poses that are a little bit more complex than the cat and the dog. I usually start patients off with the cat and dog as a good general stretch for their spine, but this is more of a level 2 stretch that you can add to your routine or replace the cat and the dog with this. And this one right here is called the downward facing dog. I like to start parallel to the floor and then raise my feet up and keep my body neutral, the upper body, so it forms a V type of posture. And then I hold that for 3 to 5 seconds. It actually feels quite good. It gives your spine some traction. It promotes the blood flow to your organs and to your brain. And then you can actually pedal your feet a little bit. So you can just do that with your feet, alternating to give the calf muscles and the legs a little bit of an extra stretch. I would hold this for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then you can go back to lying flat, face down on the ground, and the next one would be this one right here, which is called the Cobra. So then you just lift your upper body off the ground into this position. You can start small and kind of build yourself up. Hold this for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then go back flat onto the mat or the floor, and then go back to the downward facing dog again. I would do 8 to 10 repetitions of this. That would be one set, and just start with one set each day. Try to do it first thing in the morning. I find when my patients do the exercises first thing in the morning, they tend to be more successful, more regular with it. If you want to kind of anchor this activity to something, I would do it when you first get out of bed, or maybe just before breakfast would be a good time. So prepare your breakfast and then do these exercises. Take you about 5 minutes, and then you can have breakfast. So you want to anchor a new habit to an existing habit that's well established. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'd be happy to help you. And this is, again, a level 2 exercise, the Cobra and the downward facing dog.